So remember my last video of me getting ready to go for Bovi's show? Well, it's time to go now. La 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 la. Come on, likes us. Come on, likes what we're looking like. See, it's an orange shirt, orange bag, then black bag, black shirts. That took my brain too long to stitch together, but yes. We left home around 5:30, hoping to get there in time for good seats. See the way I want to break my neck for good lighting in this car. Chai. Please, work is texting me. What's going on?
Why? Sunday, I beg you, no.
Here lies a betrayer that does not want me to pour my drink on her. See my nails. See what my nails have turned into.
They've chipped finish.
2 of them.
And even broke of them.
Anyway, my sister actually allowed the drink to pour on her body. Is that nice? No, it's not nice.
I might be
I want to hope that it will dry well. So we did get there in time, however African timing struck again. So we decided to go into the restroom and faff around a little bit. Sestra, what do you want to say to my vlog?
your wife, your girlfriend.
This video has no filter and I'm damn beautiful. Your wife, your girlfriend, they are never this cute. Kindly gaze upon these fine boys and girls loitering for almost 1 hour just because Bovi clowned us that the show will start on time and end by midnight. Anyway, some people were forming queue, but we chanced our way to the front because hello, we didn't come here to sleep, okay? Operation Get Great View seats was still very much in play, and so good luck to everybody else. Thank you. Well, it turned out that the seats were arranged very sensibly for regulars so that anybody could see the screen and there'll be no need to be standing on chair or the other struggles. Okay, 10 points to Bovi. So while we're well seated and waiting for the show to start, we edit our pictures a little bit for the gram, and then your DJ starts playing DJ Big N and it's really late. You can see my sister getting carried away trying to sing Gary Kelly. Hello there, we do not support that, even though I'm also singing the lyrics in my mind and she's clearly holding herself back from singing. Bovi's TikTok hit the big screens to entertain us, and then some of the comedians were going to perform. In hindsight now, I wish I had written their names down, but they were really entertaining, and here were some of the things that they had to say.
One, I got into the place, only 3 people inside. First thing that came to my mind is, see crowd. The Queen of England is royalty. They know they see her. How many of you know where Buhari dey? The Queen of England. She, the royalty, they know they go school. She is just a ceremonial leader. She does not involve with issues relating to politics. She don't involve herself. She dey leave everything for the prime minister. Nothing concerned about politics. She don't not concerned whether the country is so far. Look at Buhari today. If you like involved, but you not really get chance.
Listen up. If you are here with your boyfriend or your husband and he doesn't give you money, you are also sick. This song's for you.
Magoya rubbish.
So he knows.
Oh, my things are not well. For what? So yes.
At this point, I think it's clear that a great time was had. Look at all the vibing, a dancer. Look at the girl moving. Comedy plus music show in one. Inject it, please. I need more of these.
Welcome everybody!
She's so cute.
Settle down, settle down. I have a lot to say. So I know you guys respecting my daddy Bovi, but some people say I'm the female version of my dad. I don't think that. I think I'm the pro-max version of my dad. Like, I'm an iPhone 13, he's an iPhone 6, you're old, nobody wants you. My daddy, Bovi!
Yes, demand for these things. How can we not have changed the name of Nigeria? When Ghana gained independence, they dropped the name they were giving, Gold Coast. When Northern and Southern Rhodesia gained independence, they dropped the name and gave themselves Zimbabwe and Zambia. We, Florashaw, hold us for work. We are still Nigeria. We just seem to be going the opposite direction in so many things. ASU is on strike. How many years now? Or is it months? Some students have forgotten what they were studying. That's why I see the average Nigerian student, even after graduating, what do we shout? Greatest Nigerian student! Greatest Bobo! Greatest Papa! What is this? It's a symbol of struggle. Have you ever seen who went to Harvard shout, Great Harvard? They just touched their badge. Or Great Cambridge! Great Bell, Great Baba! No, they just touched their badge.
And that was just the beginning. To be honest, I was enjoying myself too much to record anything. I forgot that I was vlogging. It spoke about different things from gender identity to sexual orientation and different things that he's been criticized for in the past and that his stance has changed on, for example, spousal rape. He also spoke about double standards in the comedy industry, both like Instagram skits and like offline. Anyways, I remember dying of laughter here because he was talking about how Nigeria intends to send a man to the moon in 2030, and then that's when power will probably change and maybe PDP will come in and they say all of APC's policies will scrap it and then some poor man will be left on the moon to die. And that just seemed so realistic and something that can definitely happen in Nigeria. Wow, just look at the crowd. Like, the place was filled, but it was so well arranged I didn't even feel like it. Anyways, I had an amazing time. This is why comedy shows over all these dirty December shows, and I actually mean dirty as in I'm not interested, because all I do is pay money to entertain myself. Anyways, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.